Hi there. Today I'm going to show you another great maths puzzle. In this maths puzzle, we're given three in the series, and then you have to work out the pattern that you see in those first three in the series, and then apply that pattern to the last one to find out what the missing number is, which is represented by the question mark. So let's have a look there. We've got 12945 equals 816. 24836 equals 588. 36727 equals 360. And then you have to work out, based on the pattern that you've seen in those first three in the series, what 48618 equals to. Now, if you want to think about the answer, then click on the pause button in the bottom left hand corner. Otherwise, I'm going to go straight into the answer. And the answer then is that we take the right three numbers, 945, 945, and then we take the left three numbers, which is 129, 129, and then we take the right three numbers minus the left three numbers to give us the final answer. So you can see there, 945 minus 129 equals 816. Yep. And the same here, 836 minus 248 equals 588. And then in the third in the series, we've got 727 less 367 equals 360. So then, to solve this puzzle then, using that same principle that we've seen in the first three in the series, we do 618, and take away from that 486 to give the answer of 132. So there we go. The answer then, the missing answer, which is the question mark, is 132. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.